Hello, what's up my people? Let me dive straight to the tutorial. So this is, I'll play the right hand, then I'll show you the bass later. Hope you have mastered the two solos. Now let's move to the bass. 1 1 1 4 3 times 1 1 1 5 3 times back to 1 1. Or you can start from the 6. That way 6 6 1 4 3 times 1 1 1 5 3 times back to 1 1. Now let us try combining both hands together. Okay, let's play together. That way.